The gurus are probably lying. These gurus push shiny objects and promises, trying to sell their own courses because their own product is the best one you should use. But that will only lead you to burnout, frustration, and more problems that you have now, especially financial one. In this video, I will give you 6 of the most common money-making guru lies you've been served and help you or try to help you avoid them and make a sustainable online business. Grab a cup of coffee and see you. Lie number 1 is you should have social media omnipresence in order to succeed. What does that mean? They say you have to be present in all social media: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, Blue Sky, whatever. But that's just not sustainable and leads to a burnout. The real truth is you will burn out if you try to have more than 2 platforms, and I suggest using only one platform for at least a year. If you focus to one platform and stick to it, you will learn what works and what doesn't work, and you will get a real audience and real knowledge of how to promote your products on that platform. So stick to one platform for 1 year and then try to see the others. Line number 2 is you just repurpose your videos to all the social media platforms. That doesn't work. The videos on Instagram, for example, are like this. You point to something, there is a trendy audio below, and then you have the words, read captions, and a long caption. That will not work on YouTube, for example, or on TikTok. Every platform has its own kind of videos that they are pushing at the moment. So if you are present on 2 platforms, make sure to make video for each platform separately. You can use the same idea, but take 2 different videos and adjust each one for the platform you are publishing to. The best thing I heard is push your TikTok videos to LinkedIn. I mean, TikTok is fast, punchy, and LinkedIn is slow business platform. It doesn't work. Nobody will watch those videos. So the conclusion is, instead of wasting time poorly repurposing content, focus on one platform, or if you have 2, make separate videos for each one. Line number 3 is easy, fast success overnight. How many times did you hear, follow this proven system and earn $10,000 a month by next week? You heard it. You can tell he is a money-making guru if you see this. It's far from truth. The truth is that success, especially online, takes effort and hard work and dedication, and it often takes time. Overnight success stories are the exception. Most people online succeed by being consistent and present on the platform they choose for a long time. So choose one platform for at least 180 days, post one video or one piece of content a day, and you will certainly have results. You don't have to have a huge followers to succeed, but you need to be present and you need to put effort. Remember, it's not about quick wins, it's about sustainable success. You are building a business. Line number 4 is insane income claims. You've seen it before, screenshots of bank accounts and drop shipping platforms, and they are making millions a month. But that is not the only proof that something works. That is the proof that that particular thing they are teaching worked for them. One of the income claims problems is they don't show expenses. They don't show other problems and how much money is actually earned per month after taxes and everything. Don't be sucked up by someone else's numbers, but be sucked up by your journey to your numbers. Start small, have a goal. You can have a big goal. You can have a goal of $1 million a year, but start small, put your consistency and effort in, and the results will come. Line number 5 is just steal content from somebody else and repost it. You've seen videos like this. Go to TikTok, take the most viral videos, repost them as YouTube Shorts, for example. But that doesn't work, and you will probably have copyright claims, even if you are telling who the creator is. The problem is it kills your credibility, because somebody will see that you are doing this and you will not be able to build trust factor with your audience, which is number one thing you need to build if you want to sell something online. Today people like authenticity, especially after 40, because they have experience, they've been scammed before, so they will check what are you doing, why are you not making your own content, why are you stealing content. So authenticity is what will make you stand out. Line number 6, you don't need experience or large following to succeed. Yes, you don't need experience. You will learn some skills as you go along, but you actually need some experience, because the problem is those many online gurus say, I'm doing this only for 4 months, but they are in the other type of free internet marketing for 6 years. I had a lady that sold me a $500 course claiming she did $2 million in 6 months, but she didn't say that she had 700,000 people from her ex-network marketing campaign. She was in some kind of an MLM scheme. So she lied. Yeah, as I said before, without a following, without eyes on your product, you will not sell anything. So you need to be consistent to target a specific audience, and the following will come. And with the following, you will see some sales. I have to say most platforms today are not checking how many followers you have. So every video, every piece of content you post, they will test it against non-followers or non-subscribers to see if they can find the audience for your video, and that's how videos go viral if you want. Conclusion is focus on learning and growing your platform, and then succeed will come. Real business takes time and effort. I said that like 100 times before. If you're tired of chasing shiny objects and promises and ready to build a real sustainable business, subscribe to this channel, because I will do videos like this, and also you will be able to follow my journey that starts next week. If you want to see how to start all this, you can check the next video on the screen.